Hello and welcome to Popalong RC, the RC car channel dedicated to RC car racing. And in today's video, we are taking a close look at the battles on track with the Rlaarlo Rally car and the LC Racing PTG Tips car, which we've featured both of these cars on the channel before. But today we were at the Mill End track and it was simply a case of Mark and I racing our little hearts out. We had the track all to ourselves, so therefore we made a few little sections and basically had a good laugh for a couple of hours running the rally cars. The reason we've got the rally cars out is because we are planning to hold a Popalong Rally in the not too distant future. So if you have a rally car, if it's a 1/10 rally car such as the TTO1, TTO2, XV01, XV02, the Rlaarlo Rally car, the PG Tips car, whatever it is you've got, if you keep an eye on the channel, there will be events coming your way very soon. Anyway, let's get to the action.
I've got such cold hands.
I'm freezing.
Right, little bit of a race. I think I've speed matched it. I've turned my lights on because, you know, it's a rally car and needs lights, don't it?
Definitely. Right, on your marks, get set, go.
Really cheap. I've got a bit more pace, to be fair. We did speed match them, but I think I've got more pace. Oh, snuck. Oh, beautiful.
So we are
We're
running
going on the outside.
Short. Oh, I was going to go inside. Right, hey.
Oh, I've got more pace though. Oh, the Rlaarlo car's dominating here.
You've got your gyro
Over the
switched on
jump.
by
No,
the
there's
time.
no gyro on this. What are you on about?
You've got gyro. Don't give me that.
Right, I'll win the first race then.
Yeah, stupid.
Right, race number 2. I'm going to turn it down a bit.
Thank you. On your marks, get set, go.
Okay, that's a bit more.
Oh man, I wish I had a gyro like you.
Oh,
You going outside? You going inside? You didn't go around the cone.
Yeah, well, it was nearly. Oh no! Sun's come out, good, that's what we like. And I do remember when the sun comes out here at Mill End, it's a beautiful place to be. Oh! Right.
Give us a push.
I'll give you a push, right? I'll come down there. Hang on. There you go. Shall I turn the gyro off now then?
Turn the gyro off. Let's make it fair.
It's probably going to be undrivable without this gyro, to be fair. Right, okay, so
Gyro off
the
now.
gyro is completely off. Is it still controllable? We will find out.
On your marks, get set, go.
Oh, I think it's even better without the gyro. I can get into the corners a bit better now. What are you running again? The PTG.
PT Tips car, isn't it?
Right, which way are we going? All right.
Inside.
Okay.
There's a chance. Oh, this is the bit I keep getting wrong.
Oh, did I actually jump over you then? Oh! Who won that one?
Oh, we'll have to go back to the video for that
All
one.
right, okay, fine. Right, leave the cone there because we're going to go round. We don't really need that, do
Don't
we?
need that cone. That's just
All
our
right,
starting point.
Right, race number. What is this one?
I don't know. This is probably race number 2 actually, because you had the gyro on for the first few, which didn't count.
right,
That's a
fair
little bit
enough.
even now. You've switched it off.
Fair enough. Fair
On
enough.
your marks, get set, go.
Oh, went too wide. Got that all levels of wrong there.
It's all gyro, isn't it? It's all gyro. You're running out of talent, boss. Inside, round knee. Oh, this is too easy, boss. Do you want me to let you catch up? Oh no, I've gone really wide. Look ya.
I think you did get it. I think you did get it. Right.
Skidded past you.
You got more speed than me.
More traction. So it's called traction, boss.
Right, I'm turning the speed up a bit because you got more.
Oh.
There we go. Right.
3, 2, 1, go.
There you go. I'll let you have a little head start because I feel sorry for you. Okay. Oh. Nice. This is 3S as well, isn't it? So I've got a little bit more of an advantage there.
You have, and it's slightly overscale as well. Not to forget, it's slightly bigger than 1/10, I think.
Is it?
Yeah. Right, I'm just chilling on this one.
You got me on that one. Right, you might get set.
Oh,
Go.
Mark gets the run this time, but I'm going to give him a little kiss at the backside there. Metaphorically, of course. Oh no, I've made all kinds of mistakes there. Let me see if I can catch up. Got the work cut out now.
Oh, it's not over until it's over though. I might just have to ease off a bit here, just in case I make mistakes. I'm tending to grip roll a little bit every now and again, which is a bit odd. Beautiful. Home to the finish.
Again!
Oh, cold hands.
Sun's come out for you, just like that. Look at that, the sun is here.
Right, do you want to do a full lap this time then?
All the way around the track.
Yeah.
All right then, go.
Unbelievable. It is definitely harder to drive this Rlaarlo car without the gyro, but I guess the gyro is quite a nice feature if you're a noob and you want a bit of a helping hand. They're quite evenly matched for speed now, in fairness, aren't they? And I slowed it down.
Yeah.
Actually, they really are matched for speed. Oh.
Oh no.
Oh, what happened there? You alright?
Don't know if I've got something caught in the wheel.
Is it alright?
Oh, there you go, stone just came out. Lovely, jubbly.
Alright, I quite like the cones being there. It's quite an interesting... Alright, well you clearly didn't like the cones being there, did you? So remember, we are at the Mill End track. It's literally the beginning of the season and the track is looking incredible.
Am I on the wrong side? I am on the wrong side of the turn there.
I want to get in your slipstream. I'm starting to think I've got a stone caught in it.
Oh, that little kiss there.
What are you doing?
You cut me up. It was my turn.
That is unbelievable.
I was there.
Can you get rid of it? Can you move? Ah!
You're beached.
Alright. End of race.